We have received this unit, and this unit having not pairing actually. So now we connecting to logic board. We have sound, but when we press push button, there is no ringing. It's not receiving signal. See, device having sound, but this is not receiving signal through push button. Now reset the device by pressing this function button. Beep will come 9 bit, and after 9 bits 6 bits continuously. Then release this button and press again for 2 seconds. This light will come. Then pair the remote by pressing this button, and this light will blink twice. It's mean remote has been paired to the device. You have to press once again this button, and now this one 2 times. See, ring comes. Now just press this button. See, this has been paired. It means problem has been resolved by reset the device.